Maggie, Spice, and Sean Paul.
No clothes to me, no shoes. See them shoes over there, sir?
Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. Now, I know I have abandoned my YouTubers, my YouTube channel in over almost 3 weeks, and I'm so sorry. But honestly, since my birthday, which was May the 26th, and big up all the persons who gave me the well wishes and thing, I have just been out and about and enjoying myself, and it has been such a great vibe. And I think things kind of settle down now, so I have to return to business. Otherwise, I'm going to be like a pop-up on the roadside and cannot afford to cover my bills. So I think I'm going to call this video my Father's Day edition for the social media countdown. So big up to all the fathers who are watching right now. Big up on yourself and for all of the hard work that you do to ensure that you are able to take care of your kids. Anyway, so let's get right in the countdown because we have whatever things to talk about. It is the top 15 social media countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you for tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them sort me out what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 15, Country Dancehall, Milwaukee, Texas. Alright, so this video now, I saw it on Instagram and it featured this brother, this Caucasian brother, that decided to put a spin on a couple dancehall tracks, the Western version. Take a listen.
Hey, make Sean Paul country. Roll on over here.
This could be hard. Get busy, you shake the booty non-stop, Daisy Duke crop top, yeah, when the cash drops, ladies wanna hang with us, yeah, in our rusty trucks, rolling through the mud, out here in the field with our wranglers on, yeah, the southern draw, yeah, it can't be tall, take them out dancing and you love them daily, treat them like a lady, get them going crazy,
Yeah.
start to love making them they scream yeehaw to the early morn, let's get it on, to the early morn, yeah, it's all good, just
No, I mean, I don't even know, like, honestly, I think it sounds pretty okay. I don't know if I love it, but it is definitely a vibe. Like, honestly, like, invite him to come to Jamaica, yeah. So let me know, burritos, do you like this Western take, this country take on this dancehall hit? Sound off below. Number 14, Jnel baptized. Me alta call. Alright, so, dancehall reggae artist Jnel recently gave his life to the Lord. And I guess we have to just go and give him a round of applause for that because clearly, that must be a big decision in the artist's life for a walk away from all of the money where, say, probably getting a little secular part of things and go choose Christendom. And so here's a little video of his baptism.
Ties in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Hallelujah. To God be the glory.
To God be the glory, great things He has.
Yes, so burritos, let me know if you are here for Jnel, becoming a Christian. Are you going to miss him in the secular world? Sound off below. Number 13, Tattoo Milan, Me Alkaline. Alright, so this new rising female dancehall artist by the name of Honey Milan.
One of my client buy half a dozen banger. Them I try chop on the phone and a stammer.
I guess she wanted her name out there, and we have seen her in recent weeks hanging with Skilly Bang, and she decided to up the ante when she, I guess, showed these series of pictures donning a Skilly Bang tattoo on her forehead. Why did I just say forehead? Forehead.
I run too much joke here, man.
I mean, this comes right from the Alkaline playbook. I do not think this is anything really that innovative. She knew she wanted to get her name out there. When I saw it, just didn't know say some fake thing. But she was walking around saying it was real. But then no, just say her with some new pictures and there's no tattoo there. So I really don't even know why I talk about this story because it is just like, eh. But if you're interested, let me know what you thought about it. Did you fall for this prank? And what do you think about new artists, doing these things to get a buzz around their names? Sound off below.
Me acting like a dog.
Number 12, cartel case. Vibes cartel Adija Palmer. He is once again trying to find a little route that will get him out of prison. And so now his team is basically bringing up the issue that about, you know, his phone being tampered with. So before the case reached the privy court, there was an entire case being made about, you know, police mishandled the phone or they tampered with the phone, which would have mean that, you know, should not be brought in as evidence. And so that is what his team is trying to argue yet again to see if they can get him a lesser sentence or, you know, anything better for cartel right about now. Yes, summer readers, so let me know, do you believe that this phone was actually tampered with, or do you think this is just, you know, cartel's team reaching, pulling at strings to try to find a way out? Sound off below. Number 11, Tom War. Medandi Shandi. Alright, so this particular video definitely like got me laughing. It showed two men, I think they call like, you know, two Rasta men, you know, out on some corner, and they were having a disagreement when things took this unexpected turn. Right now we can't start. Right now we can't start. Right now we can't start. I know we start. Right now we can't start. Right now we can't start. Where the f*** me thumb there? I know we started. Where's the thumb there? Where me thumb there? Eh? Where me thumb there? Where's my thumb? Where me thumb? What you say? I realize I'm weaker than you right now, so more easy to sell. You say what? Yeah, chuck me a while ago. Yeah, go what's up? Realize. Yeah? Realize. I'm weaker than you. Yes, so I'm not in a war with you right now. Where's my thumb? No war. No war with you, brother. What are you in a war for? What the fuck are you in a war for? Where me so you saying a war with me? Where me No, you see with the brother here, I have to definitely rate him. Why? Because he know how to pick film battles. He knew that next youth would have clearly just shell him down and him understand say, yo, let me just do a little Mr. Vegas and take for myself. Box cover subreaders, let me tell you about the Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel.
Blessings, everybody.
Yo.
Now, on the Mr. and Mrs. Gold channel, they travel to different locations. They do unboxing, them highlight music artists, and do lives every weekend where they discuss hot topics about dancehall and relationships. So they're actually having a 1,000 goal draw. Yes, burritos, they're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and so they're having a draw where they'll be giving back. Now, all you have to do is to subscribe to their YouTube channel as well as to like any video, and then under that video, comment 1,000 goal. And you can stand a chance to win a cash prize, you can win merch, or any album of your choice from any established artist. Okay, so burritos, please to head over to their channel, the Mr. and Mrs. Gold channel, for your chance to win in this 1,000 goal promotion. Okay, burritos? Number 10, the Shenseea and Drake rumors. You know, I was very glad I was on my break when this entire thing occurred. I really don't know if I talk about it. I mean, listen. I like a good story. I like a good story, something to get me excited for to talk about and share up on the countdown. But you see, when I kind of feeling in my spirit say it is just being doctored, it is really a fake story, it not gonna make me that excited to deliver it. And that is exactly what happens in this case. I don't believe it. I honestly know that the Ramesh team have been really pulling at strings and trying to get Shenseea's name out there in that international space. I know that, you know, they had a takeover with Tropics and, you know, Shade Room. And I just feel like, I don't think it's Shenseea, but it might be somebody around the team just kind of, you know, put the little story out there for create a buzz, generate the little buzz there so that, you know, people can be trying to search and say, who is this Shenseea girl? I just don't believe it. But it is very interesting that Shenseea has not posted since the 1st of June. And this is very unusual for the artist. So I am wondering if this is something being orchestrated because maybe there's a Shenseea / Drake collaboration to happen, and when she re-emerges online, that will be the video that drops. I don't know. Maybe she just like give Spice a little breeze and make Spice go and run it like a #1 song, and then say, you know, afterwards, no, kind of resurface. I do not know, but I definitely don't think that this story about Shenseea being pregnant for Drake and she go give him peace and text message and all of that, I don't believe it. But let me know if you do in the comments down below. Number 9, pocket rocket strikes, 100 meter. So Olympic gold medalist Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is officially the 2nd fastest woman in history. She recently clocked the world leading time of 10.63 seconds in Jamaica to make her like definitely one of the top contenders for the Olympic gold medal this year.
Can I get a wow? Wow!
Shelley and Fraser Price as expected out quickly. Natasha Morrison trying to chase Shelley and Fraser Price away and clear. Look at that! 10 points!
Where was I when I heard about this entire news? I think I was home, I saw the video and I was just like dumbfounded. I was completely just like taken aback because Shelly and I know she have her child. She's 34 years old and to come back from, you know, a series of injuries and to actually become the second fastest woman in history, that is a major feat. And it definitely does put some energy behind the Jamaican camp leading into the Olympic Games because we don't have Mr. Triple Treble Usain Bolt competing. So it is very good that we now have a world like international standard bearer to kind of give the camp that energy, and so it must be celebrated. Big up yourself, Shelly and Fraser Price. Nice. Number 8, Uber in JA. One already. Okay, well, I guess we will not be saying one already anymore if we're taking Uber in Jamaica. So this is definitely a big deal to many people. The Uber franchise has now, you know, reached Jamaica, and I am wondering if it will put the other companies out of business. I do know that it has caused quite a rupture, you know, with the transport authority kind of saying that, hey, how you have this franchise kind of come in and them kind of go around some loophole. What about the rules and the regulations and all of that? But Uber just there and people just enjoy the festivities because what Uber is, it is basically the app that you can go on to and you contact you're giving your location, a driver pops up. This is all done through your phone, you know, and you're able to track the driver heading to you. You know point by point how far the driver is. You know the location of the vehicle. You will get the license plate number, the color of the vehicle. All of that information is provided to you. You will no longer be on the phone. I don't know if your credit enough. You'll be like, you know, 10 minutes or less, 10 minutes or less. Bag of number 4, pick up. You won't be getting that experience anymore if you're using Uber. And I took the Uber recently, and trust me, it was actually a cool experience. My driver was very friendly, definitely. I forgot to rate him very high, and he was a red plate. And most importantly, it was quite cheap because I took something from basically half a tree to go downtown, and typically that is around $900, $1,000. And for this Uber, it was 600 Jamaican dollars. You tell me no. Look at that, like you basically saved $300, $400 in some cases. So I am very much excited to see how this will shape up with the competition. But let me know, Burritos, have you tried Uber in Jamaica yet? And if you haven't, why not? Sound off below. Number 7, Saloni acting debut. Milika Theatre. Alright, Burritos, so social media sensation Saloni look like she has moved on from that drama with Auntie Donna, and she is going for bigger and better things because Alika Birdie tells me that she is now going to be a part of a production, and it is called Bala. Now this is a Barracks Entertainment production where Saloni will be acting alongside La Lee. Yes, La Lee, where do you know, like Dirt Bong song and all of these things. Yes, Saloni will be acting, you know, alongside Lali, playing his grandmother in a YouTube series that will be called Bala.
Tell us how you're feeling. How you feeling?
Alright, feel good.
Yeah, alright, you're excited, you're nervous?
No
What's
nervous.
the emotion? No nervousness?
No nervousness.
Where you say I gonna mash it up?
Yeah.
So where your son? Where your son?
A Bala?
Yeah, Bala.
Bala, my son.
Yeah, man.
My
Big up
grandson.
Thumbs up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, apparently Bala, it hasn't premiered yet on YouTube, but it will be going live to YouTube June the 26th, the end of the month. We can look forward to these videos on the Barracks Entertainment page, so you can go subscribe before the videos start release.
Bala. No man, that's breaking, girl. You know have it out this morning. Every morning that girl come out. Come out, this Bala. Every morning you come out.
So yes, Saloni, continue to do your thing. It is definitely a good look. I will definitely be checking out your performance in Bala. Number 6, Show Stealer. Me downtown. Alright, Burritos, like, I am not going to say anything. This is one of these videos where I just want you to watch. Basically, this woman come to Jamaica. She shoot her music video, but she got upstage at her own shoot. Pre.
break it down. I had to break it down. I gotta get away.
You know what is so weird is that I went downtown for a shoot myself and actually encountered that same brother. He did push somebody cat and yeah, but Jamaican people, like I just don't know. We are just, I don't know, we are a bunch of characters. That is all I will say, Burritos.
If your vagina could speak, what would she say?
Maya Boshai, I'm tired. Jesus, I'm tired. My God.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment.
Well done. Look how the girls them sexy and young. Run come. Sing along. Well then, pick up your friend.
Alright, Burritos, now it's time for the big up segment. So first I have to go and big up Amar McLeod for having the world leading time in the 110-meter hurdles. Definitely a good look and looking forward to your performance at the Olympic Games. Yes, we can't leave out this unexpected news, this very shocking news that was announced on Father's Day. Usain Bolt and Casey Bennett welcome twins Saint Leo and Thunderbolt. Now, I do not know how they kept this under wraps, especially in Jamaica where news fly very quickly. People do not hold their mouth, but the Bolts, they kept this under wraps and it was such a good Father's Day surprise. So, yeah. Also, I forgot to big up my YouTube brother, Yardman Ethan, on his birthday recently. And also, I forgot to big up Khadija Bonishaw and her move to Man City. Definitely a good look, and you have been just like so exceptional so far in your career. So just know, say, I just saw you go continue for sure. Zine. Also, I forgot to big up my virgin Alex on his debut album that is called Until Then. It is available now on every single popular streaming platform. So please to go and check it out right in the description here. So,
I mean name chunky, big up Mr. Bunty. Killer are the president if you run the country. If you're this bunty, you have to confront me. Tell a little punk so look up in a me pumpy.
Number 5, woman cries, Cree, me police station. Alright, Burritos, so where do I even begin with this case? So recently a woman came to the public now and basically besieged wanting help to get away from a very abusive situation that she was in.
I'm a victim of stab wounds by my ex-boyfriend. We were involved about 1 year and 3 months. Then I'm afraid to go up on the road. I'm afraid him attack me.
So you see, after that, by the time I could have cut off 2 of the fingernails in my fire big toe. What? Is it right after that? The woman had a change of tune. She had a change of heart and said this.
I don't want to be a time waster. It's time for now to focus on my education. And it's time for now for my partner to be out and to help me towards my education and also towards my child. And that's it. I don't want to waste the court time and I don't want this case to go further. I don't want to waste the court time. I don't want this case.
What is?
I don't even know where to start with the story there because listen, I am trying to empathize and I do understand the struggle that oftentimes people who are in very abusive situations face, especially when their abusers are their providers. It becomes a very difficult thing to navigate, and oftentimes people on the sidelines can't always judge and say, yo, we're not left for all of these things, but left what is going to be the better situation that she's going to go into. For some of these women, they're going to be back on the road, they're going to be back on the street, they're going to be hungry. And because all the persons who are saying leave will not really offer assistance or provide a better alternative. And so when them sit down and weigh the situation, oftentimes they stay. But it is just like very sad to see that somebody, you know, doesn't have that awareness or doesn't have the confidence to really go and chart a new course for themselves. And we do not know about this woman's educational status. We do not know how many, you know, opportunities are at her disposal. So it is very easy for many of us to judge. But like, you know, I want to say leave, but I understand a little bit of how you might end up stay. But look on it. Would you rather to be, you know, on the streets or rough it for a little bit, or to be, you know, like end up in the mug? Like, what is your choice? Do you prefer to have a little difficult road ahead of you? Or do you prefer to just like, you know, die and leave your kids there? You have to make that decision and that choice, and you have to weigh them. So that is my stance on this entire situation, Burritos. Let me hear from you guys down in the comments section. Number 4, Dirt Walker, Mr. Mental Gravels. Alright, so burritos, there is a brand new dance about the place and it is called Dirt Bonks. So if you've been living under a rock, me tell you, Lali have like these two tracks on him, Tipping at It and Dirt Bonks. And these songs basically are the songs that you have to do the Dirt Bonks too. And this dance was created by a brother named Tyreek. Dirt Bonks! And the dance involves, the little waist movement and a little sitting like that. And some people kind of think say it's a little bit too feminine and others just think say, yo, people will just have fun and just vibe. And so the dance has been trending especially on TikTok with Lali's single Tipping at It, as well as the dance. And
my mouth, it can't slip. My face it and the toilet. You see me rear no boy ride it.
So it all over the place, but recently in the past week there was a video with this brother doing a dirt bonks on actual dirt, and him seemed like he might take the dance to a next level. Take a look.
Watch this, I did brand new dance, me a TJ. If you a girl, just man, I show you them bro. Get it up, know all the thing go. Brand new dance is simple. Keep it there, show them the thing now. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody get your bones with ya. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody get your bones with ya. Dirt, dirt, dirt. Everybody get your
Burritos, that chill. Like honestly, have you tried the dirt bonks? Please to try the dirt bonks and tag me in your stories on Instagram, and I'll definitely repost it at TheDuttyBerryShow. Number 3, get a Michael Jackson versus manager. Me hee-hoo. Alright, Burritos, every minute in Jamaica there is issues with artists and their management, and it looked like that is exactly what happened with the Get Some Michael Jackson and his manager. Now, Entertainment Report actually caught up with them and they spoke about the entire ordeal. So a little preps here.
I'm do nothing. And every time I go show him collect all my money, I'm not giving nothing. I'm buy markets and all of my money them. I'm not buying no clothes to me, no shoes. See them shoes over there, so a promotion user and get them there.
Akeem, what is all? Since he's been with you, how much money in total would he have made?
Well, if from him there until now, if he make 200,000, that's a lot of money.
Do not know where I stand on this situation. It is just very unfortunate that oftentimes we hear the same scenario, the same story over and over again with these social media sensations that emerge, and they have this expectation that they're going to have a long-lasting career and that this space will give them a bunch of money and that they'll be able to live lavishly. But at some point in time there's a bunch of accusations about who thief money from them, and usually it's an entire 360 and they're back where they started out. Very, very sad, but it should also be a cautionary tale to those who aspire to be a part of this online space. So let me know, Burritos, what do you think about this Michael Jackson versus his manager, get a Michael Jackson versus his manager situation? Who do you agree with? Sound off below. Number 2, Jnel questions Ziddy. Alright, where do I begin? Burritos, so there is this brother, I think I want to call him a social media sensation. He's this youth. He goes by the name of Ziddy, and he is rumored to have the most women in Jamaica.
Let me get them on a gila road. And the money get them on a gila road. And I clothes like neck bang gila road.
And recently, Jnel TV, you know him for the trick questions, he caught up with the online character, downtown Kingston, and asked him this question.
You eat me, my sender will eat you. What am I?
An animal.
It must be an animal.
It must be an animal.
Why?
Because it depends on a time when you see animals around. Yeah, like once an animal they around, we know about things like, we keep on know when animals find our community station.
Honestly, the way me stay right now, like anything that Ziddy said is facts. Like there's no go around it. Anything that Ziddy said, you have to just treat it as facts. Because the brother in pre things on a different level that most of you just now understand. Because if you can't compute it, that means that you don't understand the Ziddy way. You have to kind of understand the brother calculations in mathematical formula, the way him dissecting and the way him put things together and synthesize it, and that is how you can really just kind of digest the information in your brain. So if you can do the maths, that just means that you're not ready for really be a Ziddy supporter. That is just the way it's set. Okay?
Cool it with piece of ice. Scan them, you don't know a spice, and you're watching the Dutty Berry Show. Keep it locked. Spice to that.
And number 1 goes to Spice Promo Tour. Undertaker. #1 goes to the Spice's promo tour for her album 10. Because how long did VP Records take for release the woman album? 10 box-foot years. And so honestly, like, Spice has just been doing an entire good job on her US tour. She has been on so many shows, the late night shows, I think with Jimmy Kimmel. She was on Good Morning America.
Right next to Spice, Shaggy and Sean Paul. GMA!
And you know, recently she appeared on the Wendy Williams show. So that I really want to get into it and want to come talk about it. But beforehand, like, I have to just say, yo, definitely, like, I love this song. This song is such a vibe. To go down the song with Spice, Shaggy and Sean Paul. Like, I would love to see more collaborations with dancehall artists in the same vein. So let me just jump into Spice on the Wendy Williams show as a part of her promo tour. Like, when I tell you, it's a Girl Sheldon interview, I never leave no crumbs.
Thank you so much. I'm super excited. And I know you're not brand new on the scene, but you're brand new to people like me, and just good for you. Thank you so much. Big up. So,
like, honestly, Spice still with the interview, like, say, she said it.
I don't recall you there.
I've been on it for 2 to 3 years now, so maybe you haven't been watching lately.
Well, yeah, no, I get frustrated.
I know say Sean Paul and Shaggy dead here now, but you see the fact say a Wendy Williams show and I'm an avid Wendy watcher. Like, me know how Wendy stay, and you know, like, me know say Sean Paul and Shaggy them season. Them used to this, them not new to this. But you see Spice, me know she get a couple interviews and stuff, you know, with the other media houses them. But like, me did want to see how show that kind of have the flow there and that dynamic with a Wendy Williams. I'm
going through songs. I heard, go down there, why not go down there? I said, that's me.
No, I say Spice sit down and talk to Wendy Williams, like, say the two of them used to in the same crew in high school, take the same man and then turn back friend. I saw Spice, I have the little rapport with Wendy Williams, like, till one time I have to say, Spice, I'm on your interview, you know.
I got a message for you, so talk to me, Wendy.
and Erica, like, some of the storylines are so corny.
Oh, you think so?
I get so mad.
Oh, I got a message from Erica to give you.
How recent is this message?
3 days ago.
Okay.
She said to tell you that you were right. I don't know what you said about Safari or whatever you said.
I don't know why me act surprised said that is what she did. Because the woman named Spice, she don't name water. She don't come there for dilute a conversation. She's there to really bring spice and add little value and know for spice up things. And that is one of the reasons why I say I always love doing interviews with Spice, because she gets it. She understands the assignment and she'll get good grades every time because she just know if to carry herself in an interview. She know the little charismatic thing there, the certain little je ne sais quoi there, Spice have it. And so it was very much on display, and so I was just smiling from ear to ear throughout the entire interview, even to the part where Spice understood the nature of Wendy Williams show, say, you know, little love, the mix up and the drama, and me not even knowing about what would put it past Spice. Say a Spice prips Erica and say, Erica, hey girl, you know me I go on Wendy Williams show, so if you know the other day she talk about a bunch of things I done her. So if you want me to send up, you know, just like talk out your nice clean mouth right now, girl. Because you know Spice knows the show and have the exclusive tea. Because Spice knows say when you drop them little information there, and this time you end up on the shade room and about the little place on E-News and TMZ. Because Spice, I want to just drop. Because Spice, she have sense. She know the strips like I.
Of course, I still want to perform.
You are sexy. Are
That's
you
what brings
involved?
me happiness and joy, you know?
He's married.
No?
She not easy, you know.
Wendy Williams was trying to kind of jump up in a Sean Paul and Shaggy bed. Like, me no know, she just bounced from Sean Paul to Shaggy.
Shaggy? Huh?
He's married too.
Okay.
With multiple kids.
I'm sorry.
How can I forget Spice?
Beautiful. Spice?
I'm single.
You know what?
Spice, arrested on the dead no more. Them not dead no more. What is happening right there? What happened? Or does Spice mean say until the brother put a ring on it, she's single? Is that the stance where she take? Because me never expect Spice to jump up and say she's single so quickly. Yeah, man, so Burritos, so let me know what you think about this Spice promo tour on the Wendy Williams show. Sound off below. Alright, Burritos, we've come to the end of another social media countdown top 15. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the countdown. Now, do not forget to share the video as well with your friends, your loved ones, your family, everybody. Alright, and do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button because I'm trying to get to 300,000 6,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel. Zid, now if you want to, see more of me on my social media, it is at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. Now if you want to advertise within the social media countdown, please send me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, so take care until next time.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something, yo, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, zine.